Hey everybody, I'm Small Fry here. Welcome back to more Super Mario Sunshine. Alright, I apologize for last episode. If it sounded so horrible, like my voice sounded like a robot, it's because, my microphone is just so horrible. I'm not really that good at, making my voice sound okay. I'm just, here to put videos on YouTube. And I'm sorry if you can't hear the sound in this either. I am terribly sorry. The sound really just doesn't matter. I'll just read things for you. How does that sound? If I just read things for you, which actually will give you a lot more intelligence. It will give you intelligence too if you read. Little kids, listen to me. I'm in the 8th grade. I should know. Oh boy, that thing's gonna kill me. It didn't quite kill me, but So now we're covered in poop. Our goal here is to spray this thingy my bobber here. If it'll ever appear. We sprayed the thingy my bobber. Let's spray the other thingy my bobber. Hello thingy my bobber. I call these things thingy my bobbers no matter what. No matter how many times people correct me, I always call them thingy my bobbers. Now, I will be getting every sound, like I said in the last episode, and again, I apologize if you cannot hear my voice that well because of the robot sounds of my voice, but, I'm sorry. Just try to enjoy it. Try to make out what I'm saying. Mario? I said I would read for you, and no, apparently not. Well, basically, the kidnap is gonna princess. The princess is going to get kidnapped. And, okay, we gotta just chase him and spray him with water. That's all we gotta do. And what I like to do is start spraying from right here, and when it starts hitting him, just go straight. I mean, look at that. He just complains unfair, and then you just gotta beat him back to the statue. Or more specifically, right here. Hello. Oh my gosh. Okay, look, I'm standing right here. Oh, I'm gone. That's just the most horrible thing, isn't it? Spray it with water. Jump into it. We are going into our second shrine in the game. Uncle Girls. Road to the big windmill. Now here's something. I might be doing more games, I might not. I might just be doing random videos and stuff. I also have this idea called the Random Video of the Month. And, just so you guys don't, like, have to keep watching the same thing, like, every few, days or months or weeks or stuff and stuff like that. So I'm gonna post, like, a random video every month. If I'm feeling up to the mood of it. It'd probably be about 10 minutes and stuff, cause, I think it might be a final boss to a game and something, blind, it might be, a super special, kinda hard level and stuff. Now, here's something I never got. You know how, we were standing all the way up here? I mean, there. Well, look, we're down here again. I better explain how we're, gonna be getting blue coins in this game. It's kind of embarrassing because I haven't gotten one yet, and I normally have, like, 10 or 11 by now when I'm speedrunning through this game. So there's a second shine sprite. I guess I'm actually gonna go get some, blue coins in Delfino Plaza. Yeah, there's blue coins in Delfino Plaza. You just gotta watch out for them. I'm not gonna make separate videos like Sugar Conroy. I'm just going to get them throughout the levels. I'm sorry if this is not organized enough for you. I am just trying my best. This is my first Let's Play. I'm terribly sorry. Anyway, go in this jail here. You're gonna find a blue coin. Blue coins, collect 240 of them, and eventually you will get 24 shine sprites. 10 blue coins equal a shine sprite, and that's basically it. Spray this X here, and you have to race to the other X, which is over there. If you spray the ground, and then you slide on it, and you get to slide really far. And there's your second blue coin, and you spray the other X. The other X isn't there from this one, but it still appears. So let's go. Oh boy, I thought I was gonna crash into the wall there. Boom. Okay, that's free. I'm gonna get like 2 or 3 more, and that's it. 2 or 3 more. 2 more. Okay. I'm just gonna be getting break this box here, and you will find an M. You spray it, and there's your 4th blue coin. Ow, old man, in my way with stuff. If you talk to this lady, she will ask for bananas. You drop them in her basket, but I'm not gonna be doing that blue coin. There's another box breaking M that you need to do. By the way, butt smashing is jumping, pressing the L button. Instead of the R button. If you see a shine sprite in there, I'm gonna be getting that later. Game, jeez. Okay. 5. 5. 4. Bro. Yay. We got 5 blue coins now, Mrs. Poppins. Now let's go into episode 2 of the thing. Yar. Down with PT Piranha. Right. Now this one causes trouble for some people, mainly just getting up there, but, it's not really that hard. Plus, I'm gonna be getting like 4 blue coins on the way up there anyway. So, okay, first blue coin, not that hard to get. You just come over here, and jump in these windows. Huh? Oh. In some levels it's on the other one, but, it don't matter. Right? As long as we get it. Okay. Now, that's our first one in Bianco Hills. If you come over here and spray this, thingy, propeller, you'll get another one. And, let's actually start heading up the thing this time, and, we'll get some blue coins there. Oh my gosh, I hit the goopy poo. Hit the goopy poo. I'm always gonna call it the goopy poo. I don't care what anyone. Oh boy. Use your hover nozzle. No, 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 no. I might end the video off after this. Crap. Now our third blue coin, just hover nozzle your way over here, spray that, and you get a blue coin. None of you wouldn't expect, right? So, hey, check it out. Oh boy. Oh boy. That actually kind of scared me. There's a wicked shortcut you can take instead of getting up there like that. You can just do that and wall jump and get up there that way. People just don't try to find a way up there. They just try to tackle it head on and stuff most of the time. But not me. I try to find my way around things. That guy, if you come up here before you get the first shine sprite here, he will tell you, hey, aren't you getting a little bit ahead of yourself? Shouldn't you go back and take care of some other things first? Yeah, he's basically, breaking a little bit of the fourth wall. And, here we gotta fight Petey. You just hop on the thing, and he screams. That's right, it's a he. Now, if you played the demo of this at GameStop, it would be called, Waiting at the Windmill. And, I always thought for the longest time that Petey and Mario were going to be getting married. And I also thought it was a girl for the longest time. And actually, about a month or 2 ago, I found out it wasn't. Found out he was a boy. One of them redneck suckers with your buccaneer pants. Dang it. What you gotta do is basically spray in his mouth. Spray in his mouth. Dang, Petey. basically jump on that stomach of his. He ate too much rice and fried chicken. So we gotta stomp it, and that's him getting hurt, and yeah. Here's basically it. Run with his mouth, and it'll take him a while to puke. Yeah, but if you let him hang his mouth open too long, he will puke. I actually never let him puke before, so I'm not sure what it's like. I've seen videos of like attacking toucans and Josh Jepson failing in their verses about it. Okay, are you gonna stop? Okay, you stopped. It hurt. PD, not all that hard itself, himself, the thing that we all call thing, PD. PD sounds like a girl's name, but who am I to judge? Ah, so close, yet so far. Come on, Mario. Okay. For a minute there, I thought I was like, did I just jump over it again? Well, I'm gonna like see something real quick. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to end the video off here, guys. I am terribly sorry. But, hope you like this video, and I'm sorry for my bad video quality and stuff, and all my, bad crap that I do to edit this video. But, I'm not really good at editing, so I guess I will see you guys in the next one.